everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat once again. Today we're going to be doing a little POV drive in my 2006 Pontiac GTO. I've got quite a list of modifications done to it, so I will throw those in right here. And we're just going to go ahead, hop in the car, and go for a short little drive. Okay guys, so that was just a quick POV video of my 2006 Pontiac GTO that is Procharged. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you live somewhat nearby me and you would like me to do a POV of your car to be featured on my channel, let me know. Get a hold of me on Instagram or wherever. Leave a comment down below. And it's possible that we could do it. I'm really looking for like anything unique or something modified, really. But let me know and we'll take a look and we'll think about it. So, again, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you enjoyed it, or if you've also got a vehicle that you might want me to do a little POV video on. And as always, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.